Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and today I'm going to show you how to assemble one small, very useful and interesting device by using this starter. For this we will need some wires, also wire with the plug, and some cutter and screwdriver. Okay, for the beginning I need only this holder for starter and one wire. Let's just start. And now we're connecting wires to this starter holder. Just need to push it inside. Okay, half done already. Then let's install starter. Now I need to use this kind of connector, but you can use any one, just to make proper connection. And connecting our wire with the plug. Alright. And now for these two wires remaining we need to connect lamp holder. Like this simple connection and just plug. Now we will install normal bulb, incandescent bulb 220. And now let's connect to the power and to see what will happen. Okay, now we can try to test it and to see how it's gonna work. I'm taking this plug, connecting to the socket, and let's go. Like this blinking disco light you can assemble for your party if it's some emergency case, and for sure you will enjoy it with some nice music. If you will remove starter, then it's not going to work. But with starter, it's making some random flickering. If you like such kind of experiment, press like, share this video with your friends and write something in comment. Okay, goodbye, see you next time.